Hello everyone, welcome to Educo Career. We are again back with new courses which decorates your personal skills. Hope these courses will definitely help you. And one thing I just want to tell is stay in your homes and sharp your skills. And without delaying, let's get started. This is the first course now which I am going to introduce. You can see here how to invest into the stock market. In this pandemic situation, many people are looking into stock markets, tradings and so on. And some people know about it, some may not. So people who are very interesting about stock markets trading, you can freely enroll this course. And few people are asking to me like how to enter the coupon code. Nothing you have to do here, just copy the code and drag here. Automatically it applies. And while coming to enrolling, if you click here once, it doesn't mean you enroll. Now I will show actually how to enroll. Click here and wait for it. Yeah, it came. See here, original price is 1280 rupees, coupon discounts 1280 rupees. It means it is totally for free. And you can see here the option enroll. If you click here now, definitely you enroll this course. This is the actual process of enrolling. And second course is mindset for success and happiness. In this course you can learn keys of success and happiness. It is very useful course for all. Everyone can enroll this course. You can see here this is free of cost. It means actually it cost 12,800 rupees but 100% off, so we are getting freely now. And copy the coupon code and enter here, and finally just click here to enroll this course. Next course is Master Agile Planning and Estimation Agile Techniques. You can see here Agile Estimating and Planning course will teach you how to create practical, useful and reliable agile plans. I can say it is very important course and you can enroll it. To enroll it freely, what we have to do, just copy the coupon and enter here, and I will show course content also here. See, planning principles, estimation, iteration planning and so on. I can say this is very beneficial course, and finally enroll it if you want. And the last course is choosing a career based on passion. Wow, it's really very good course. And what is passion? Passion, enthusiasm for something and which motivates you. That is passion. And I'm damn sure it is very useful to everyone. So please enroll this course for free of cost, and only one day is left. To enroll this course freely, what you have to do, just copy the coupon code and enter here, and I will show course content also. See here, actually mind-blowing course, and passion versus money, what to choose in your career, identify and pursue your passion, what science says about following your heart, and can you combine various passion or choose one, and start pursue your passion from today, and so on. Many things you will learn here, so I'm suggesting you please enroll this course, and all the links are in the description box including WhatsApp group. Finally, thank you for connecting with us, and subscribe our channel, share with your friends.